Good afternoon. Welcome to Marco on Markets. This channel is for educational purposes only and shares my personal opinions and investment process. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial product advice or a recommendation to buy or sell any investment. Always do your own research and consider obtaining advice from a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Good afternoon. It's just after 4:15, Thursday, 23rd of July, 2026. The market ended up fairly flat. All ordinaries up 0.15%, which is pretty flat, as you can see from the graph there. It did climb at the start of the day up to about 9,100 points, and then a bit further at around 11:30 or so, and then it fell away back to pretty much where it started from, just a slightly 13 points up. Some of the movers today, let's have a look at the sectors. So basic materials was up 2%, energy up 1.6, financials 0.19, industrials 0.5. The biggest losers today were healthcare and consumer cyclicals. Just have a look at the top gainers and see if there's any companies there that I recognize. This is just percentage gains. So you might end up with some penny stocks in there, which you may or may not know about. I'm not really. For me, I've heard of Paladin Energy. I'm not 100% sure what they do. Let's have a look at the losers. WiseTech Global, that's one that I follow. Pro Medicus, that's one that I'm familiar with. So they both had big losses today of around 6.5%. Life 360, it's another technology stock, down 5%. Xero accounting software down 5%. So looks like the tech sector had a big loss today. Pro Medicus has been on a bit of a climb over the last 3 or 4 months, and yeah, it's starting to fall away. If I just have a look at, say, 6 months. So yeah, it's climbed, I think it's around from 118 up to $210. So it's sort of like 50% or 100% increase. Not quite 100%, probably about 80% increase in about 3 or 4 months, and now it's dropped away from 210 down to 160. So that is 210 minus 160 divided by 210. It's down 23% in just only a week and a bit, maybe close to 2 weeks. So let's have a look. I'll update my holdings list. So in the end, I did get that Wesfarmers today. I put an order on, let me see, I put an order on at 88.45, which you would have seen on the last episode. It did climb after that, went up to about 88.70, 88.80. Let's have a look at the graph from company. Charts, day. Okay, that was around lunchtime, I think. So I think it climbed around here. So this is where I would have put it on here at 88.40. If you watch that video, I think it was floating around that price, 88.42, and then it did climb. Actually, not long after, about half an hour after that video, it did sell, it did buy, and then it has fallen away down to 88.11. So let's update that portfolio view. Okay, Wesfarmers market price is 88.11. I'll just grab the watch list. Okay, holding. Aristocrat 61.40, that was down 1% for the day. Market price. Okay. Accent Group 72.5. Westpac 36.64. And Wesfarmers 88.11, which we've got there. So yeah, we did have that sale of Commonwealth Bank today. Just show you where that ended up. So chart and daily. And let's have a look at the register. So it's sold at 74.04. So sold around that peak of the day. Well, a bit before, around that 11:30 mark. And then it did fall away a bit in the end, down to $72.30. So I was very grateful that I had that sell order on, because I was actually occupied at this time, and I actually didn't see it go through until I got home. So that's one of the benefits of putting your sell orders on straight away with your predetermined margin. If you are in a meeting, on a call, attending to some emergency, and it does hit your price, it'll just go through without you watching. So that's good. Okay, so we'll see how we're going. So the Wesfarmers I brought today is down 0.48%. Westpac's still down 0.26%. And Aristocrat's now down 2.31% after the dividends are counted for. So my closest two are Westpac and Wesfarmers at this stage. So we'll see how we go tomorrow. I'll leave it there for today. Thanks for watching and have a great night.